So you're buying a Japanese knife online? Do your research. Professional chefs use our knives around the world. Check it out. Hello, Chef here. So someone asked me to review one of my favorite Japanese knives. This is it right here. This is the Kasumi Damascus VG Super Steel, 64 layers. So first of all, let's try it on a couple of tomatoes here. Just glides right through, no effort. Really, really sweet. I'm going to whip up a quick salad. "64 layers forged Damascus knife, ideal for hard root vegetables. Daily prep, stays sharp." I've got some mescalum greens here, a nice blend, looking really good. I'm going to give it just a real quick chop, make them a little bit smaller, more manageable. Oh yeah, the knife wipes right off, so beautiful after using it. Just like this. I'm also going to be adding one whole orange. Remove the top, remove the bottom. Just like this. Then I'll be removing the supremes with this knife. It's ever so easy. And then we juice the orange to finish. And easily do a very small julienne. Nice, consistent, thin slices. Look at that. Beautiful. For the salad, I'm putting a shot of apple cider vinegar. Extra virgin olive oil with a black truffle. Pink sea salt. And a few of these awesome Italian olives. Gonna go in there. Juice of the orange. And we give it a toss. Okay, plating up this salad. Oh, look at that. Really, really nice. Beautiful colors. Fresh, seasonal fruits and vegetables. Looking really good. Put these carrots around the plate like this. Got some aged Bulgarian triple feta going on the plate. A few of these orange slices. Supremes. Finish with a little bit of fresh grated Parmigiano Reggiano. Wow. That is a salad there. Thanks for watching. And make sure to visit your sponsor for all things Butcher Block. Chef's Butcher Block's going on 20 years. Really, really nice. And once again, we were testing out this Kasumi Damascus 64 layer amazing knife. Riveted pack of wood handle, super smooth rivets. You can't go wrong. Wow. Smash the like button, subscribe right there. That's good. Oh, yes, the good stuff. Oil monthly. With proper care and maintenance, they will last you for decades. Wow. The perfect cooking surface. So, as a professional chef, I get asked all the time, what is a safe cutting board? This is the one you've seen on TV. Professional chefs use them, and there's a good reason why. It's 100% made in the USA, sustainable hardwoods, sourced very carefully, ultra premium grade rock maple, walnut, cherry, lots of choices. This one here is 20 by 15 by 2 1/4. You can also go 18 by 12, or you can go 24 by 18. There's a few other sizes as well, but this board is ideal. This is the one the chefs are using, and I'll tell you some more. Here's a thicker one. This is end grain rock maple. The two treatments recommended are designed for working professional chefs' kitchens. There's a reason. Mystery oil is a food-safe, ultra-pure grade mineral oil. I really like it. Yeah, it's good stuff. And that's where I get it right there. It's used in combination normally with the board cream. Board cream is a natural moisturizer which seals out the elements, and it's primarily beeswax. I get it right there. Beeswax, let's see. Unbleached beeswax and food grade mineral oil. So these are the two products that we use, and we apply them monthly, generously, and you're going to learn more about that in just a moment. So the mystery oil is applied in a circular motion. So you use an applicator or a plastic bag, work it in a circular motion, do this monthly, and then let it dry overnight is preferred, and you can repeat. After it dries, you warm this in a bowl of water and apply just a few small dabs, and wow, it's going to be good. That is a safe cutting board. Chef here with some fun facts, trivia, and recipes on eggs. Subscribe and search this channel. Wow, the incredible edible. It's going to be good. Follow along. Just added the sauteed cherry tomatoes for garnish. Wow, the Jambu Cucina Elegante, handcrafted with the finest American hardwoods, food service grade stainless steel. The Elegante features 1.5" thick butcher block, available in several sizes and with several options. Call your sponsor and save money. Ask for a discount. Wow, the Jambus Cucina Elegante, handcrafted with the finest American hardwoods, food service grade stainless steel. The Elegante features 1.5-inch thick butcher block, available in several sizes and with several options. Call your sponsor and save money. Ask for a
Boost
discount.
blocks. Buy the best the first time. Save money.
Good. So the mystery oil is applied in a circular motion. So you use an applicator or a plastic bag, work it in a circular motion, do this monthly, and then let it dry overnight is preferred, and you can repeat. After it dries, you warm this in a bowl of water and apply just a few small dabs, and wow, it's going to be good. That is a safe cutting board. Every knife should be paired with a butcher block throughout the kitchen. Proper maintenance should be applied every month. The finished loaves. I love butcher block. Yeah, this is end grain maple. You can see it's ready for some more oil. This is edge grain cherry. It's been oiled once and then it's been sealed at the factory. It's really, really nice. I like it. And this one here, this is edge grain maple. So different looks and different sizes, different thicknesses. Edge grain has certain applications, end grain has certain applications. They're all on sale at your sponsor right there. In stock and quick shipping, you're gonna love it. By the way, this is an authorized dealer with over 50 years of combined experience in butcher block. So I suggest you shop with the experts. Get the best the first time. That's my motto. Get the best the first time. Okay, I'm in the kitchen. I've got this fresh basil. It's looking really, really nice there. I've got a razor sharp knife. You're wondering just how sharp this is, right? Yeah. Always good to start with a very sharp knife.